Welcome back everyone. You may have an iPhone and it may be randomly vibrating for no reason, and you may be wondering how you can fix that. Well, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that there's no applications in the background that are using your vibration motor and maybe you don't even realize it. So sometimes there are apps that may send you a notification, but then the notification gets deleted. I know sometimes with Instagram, if somebody sends you a message and then unsends it, like immediately, that phone, basically, from what I understand, sometimes the notification may not be sent, but your phone may still vibrate. It's very strange, so you may want to check some third-party applications on your device and see if it randomly vibrated that way. That's something I've seen time and time again, and it can actually trigger some vibrations, randomly coming. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is to see if your phone was flipped into silent mode in your pocket or whatever the case is. On every iPhone, there's a little switch on the side, and if you actually go ahead and trigger it up or down, it can actually just randomly vibrate your phone when you do that. So if you're not careful and if you're not paying attention, the phone may actually randomly just start vibrating when you flip the ringer switch on and off, and that's a totally normal thing. That's a feature, and that's really not a big deal either. Now, another thing you can do is to update your iPhone. So you want to go ahead and go into your iPhone settings. You want to click General, you want to click Software Update, and you want to go ahead and update your iPhone to the most recent version of software that's available. And as soon as you do that, you're pretty much done and you're probably good to go. You can also try restarting your iPhone. You can reset your iPhone if you want to, which is like the last resort, but most of the time it'll probably be fixed by now and you probably won't have to do anything else more so. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.